Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to QMake Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the steel market continues the upward trend. Domestic prices have increased by 30 to 50 RMB per ton compared to last week, while export prices have seen a rise of 5 to 10 US dollars per ton. But what's driving this change, and can it last? Currently, the market isn't seeing much support from the big economic picture. Instead, it's all about supply and demand. For instance, rebar, a key material in the construction industry, both the inventory and the production of rebar are at very low levels. The market is anticipating a seasonal uptick in demand during September and October, the traditional peak season for construction. With demand expected to rise and the supply already tight, rebar prices are getting a boost. Now let's shift our focus to hot-rolled coils. Since last week, the inventory has started to decrease, and this trend continued into this week. The ongoing reduction in inventory suggests that the supply and demand imbalance is easing, further boosting confidence in a market recovery. Now let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand went up by 200,000 tons, and the inventories is down by nearly 800,000 tons. Production didn't change much. So overall, we are seeing an improved balance between supply and demand. However, with rebar prices rising, more raw materials are being diverted towards rebar production. This week alone, the production of hot-rolled coils fell sharply by 50,000 tons, while rebar and other products saw an increase in output. So what does all this mean for the market? Right now, this rebound seems to be largely driven by expectations of stronger demand during the upcoming peak season. But here's the big question: what if this demand doesn't show up like everyone's hoping? Looking at key steel consuming sectors, the property market is still pretty sluggish. It's not likely driven up demand anytime soon. Manufacturing industries like home appliance and automobiles are also facing challenges, with slowing growth and obstacles in export markets. Plus, steel exports themselves are running into more and more trade barriers. All of this makes it tough to see where new demand might come from. Given these factors, we believe that the current market rebound could continue in the short term. But by mid to late September, if actual demand doesn't live up to these expectations, we might see prices start to slide again. Well, what's your take on the Chinese market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.